Well, it is a shocking case of blatant medical negligence in Uttar Pradesh. A ward boy who was allowed to perform a surgical procedure on a child, even as the chief medical officer of the hospital in fact looked on. Now, while hospital authorities in Bulandshahr have dismissed the charge despite clear visual proof, UP's health minister says that action will be taken after investigations into the case are complete.
An agonizing hour for this young child. And a shocking eye-opener for India. This surgical procedure in a hospital in Bulandshahr performed not by a qualified doctor but this unqualified ward boy in the presence of the chief medical officer. But ask him about it and pat comes the denial.
अब कहीं पर ऐसी नौबत आ जाती है जहाँ कोई भी नहीं है तो वहाँ पर शायद वो दवाई बांटते हैं। इसके लिए हमने ये निर्देश कर दिए हैं कि ऐसी इस जगह पर वहाँ का क्षेत्र का कोई हेल्थ सुपरवाइजर दवाई बांटेगा। ये मेरे संज्ञान में नहीं है।
With ward boys doing surgical procedures and the cleaning staff doing the work of a certified nurse, the doctors in this very district hospital in the district Bulandshahr in the state of Uttar Pradesh seems to be playing with the life of innocent patient who trusted them with their life.
The state's health minister going on to give excuses for this carelessness.
एब्सोल्युटली फॉल्स स्टोरी जो है कह रहे हैं कि वैसा कोई किस्सा नहीं हुआ है। तो मैंने कहा कि अब क्योंकि अब टीवी कैमरे से आ रहा है अब इसकी जांच करा देंगे, अगर कुछ गड़बड़ी पाई जाती है तो सजा दिला देंगे।
It's not a stray incident of rot in public health services in Uttar Pradesh. Criminal negligence of this sort was also visible when a few days back dozens of children have died in premier government hospitals in Lucknow and Allahabad. But more shocking had been the Akhilesh government's response, which came to power with a promise of change.
The shocking footage raising several pertinent questions. How can the UP health minister dismiss the shocking footage as clever camera work? Even if it can be believed that the man who performed the surgical procedure was a compounder and not a ward boy, can the health minister explain why he was not wearing mandatory surgical gloves? How can the chief medical officer justify allowing a ward boy to perform a surgical procedure right in front of his eyes? And can he excuse himself from punitive action by saying that the matter does not fall under his jurisdiction? With Pranshu in Lucknow, Raga Malika for Times Now.